Welcome to the Magic Music Toolbox. If you're new to the channel, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're not new to the channel, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Today we're learning the 4-3-6-5-1-4 progression in the key of A flat. Alright, in the key of A flat is the 1, B flat is the 2, C is the 3, D flat is the 4, E flat is the 5, F is the 6, G is the 7, back to the octave. Now remember, the bass note drives the chord progression. The bass note tells you what chord you're on, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. This progression starts on the 4th tone of the A flat major scale. So we're playing a D flat major 7, add 9. I have D flat, F, A flat, I have the major 7, C, add the 9, E flat, double up the F and A flat. Then we go down stepwise to the 3, and then I have a C diminished chord, C, E, G, B flat, D flat, E. That's a half diminished, C half diminished. Alright. And then we have the 6. I have an F minor 7 chord, F, A flat, C, E flat, A flat and C up top. Then we go to E flat minor 9, E flat, B flat, D flat in my left, G flat, B flat, D flat and F, the 9 in the right. Go up a 4th to the A flat, we got an A flat dominant 7, A flat, C flat, E flat, G flat and C. That takes us back to the 4, which is a 4th away. So you notice, as I said in previous videos, music is pretty much just going in 4th intervals. It uses stepwise motion, like we see here, going to the 3. You could even play that diminished 6 right before you get to the 6, right? But that's just like a passing chord. We're on the 4, went down stepwise, pass here on the diminished 6 to get to a 4th interval away, F minor 7. Then we go back down stepwise, right? You can play that diminished chord again to get to that E flat minor 9, just so we can go up a 4th to the A flat dominant 7. You could add 9 if you want to there. Want to do that, and then go up another 4th back to where we started on the D flat. So music moves in a cyclical nature, and a lot of songs do this, like, just the two of us. Alright, so if that helped, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. That helps the channel to grow, and we can help as many people as we can learn how to play the piano. Alright, till next time, peace.